We'll guide you through how to make a flame on a sword on Ibis Paint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by launching your application by double-clicking its icon on your desktop. Once it opens, navigate to My Gallery and begin a new project by left-clicking the plus logo on the top menu. Set your canvas to your preferred size before continuing. To add a sword image, go to the Layer option on the bottom menu bar and choose Import Picture. Select your sword image from your computer files, ensuring it is a PNG with no background. Resize and position the image properly within the canvas, then confirm by clicking the check mark. Next, create a flame effect by adding another layer beneath the image layer. Open the brush tools and pick your desired pen, adjusting thickness with the slider. Change the brush color to a dark orange and draw a line under the sword, allowing the color to peek along its edge. Switch to a lighter orange, reduce thickness, and draw additional lines or points following the first line, directing each point toward the flame flow. Change to a yellow-orange tone, reduce thickness again, and repeat the process. Once your colored lines are ready, select the smudge tool from the brush options and adjust its size. Smear each line carefully, following the flame direction, and control the motion to achieve a natural effect. If desired, add another layer above the image and repeat the steps, experimenting with different flame colors. Apply color to parts of the sword, then smudge again to enhance the effect. When finished, go to the Export option, choose Save Image, set your format, and click OK to store your final drawing. Ensure that you review the entire composition before saving to confirm that the placement, colors, and flame transitions appear smooth and balanced. If anything looks uneven, return briefly to the appropriate layer and make small adjustments using either the brush or smudge tool. Pay attention to how the flame tapers and fades, as subtle variations can improve realism. You may also refine edges by lightly smudging outward to soften harsh lines. Keep your strokes controlled and consistent to maintain a cohesive look. Once satisfied, complete the export process and verify that the file has been saved correctly in your chosen location for easy access later. You can now share or use your artwork confidently.